You're too close. I'm like, keep doing it.
What do you want me to say?
Say hey, Christy. You suck. You're not even like doing it.